This creator here use this method to gain his 4,000 watch hours and monetize his channel in just 7 hours. This other person here use the same method to gain his 4,000 watch hours and monetize his channel in just 5 hours. This lady right here on my screen uses method to gain her 4,000 watch hours and monetize her channel in just 5 hours. This other person here actually the same exact method to gain her 4,000 watch hours and get her channel monetized. I myself, I also use this same exact method to gain my 4,000 watch hours and get this channel monetized. So here in this video, I'm going to share with you what these two are and how you can actually get your first 4,000 watch hours within 7 days. If you stick around with me to the end of this video, I'm going to tell you the reason why most people underestimated the power of this tool. So we are actually going to make use of this tool app, Instagram. Guys, don't just mind this voice, okay? So first of all, you come to your Instagram, right? So when you come here, you want to be looking for reels that are attractive, something you actually know that it can grab your audience attention really quick and fast. Come to the search bar. The other person I mentioned, talk with KG, she actually used her own video to monetize her YouTube channel. So when you come here, in fact, even to scroll through the search bar, you are going to be seeing a whole lot of content. Think about it. What can I put there to make people, stick tuned to my channel? I'm going to be looking for something natural. And guys, please always go for something that has the highest number of views, likes, and shares. Because if people actually spend this time watching this, that means there's this high chance that they can also spend watching when you actually post it on your YouTube channel. So you can just scroll through here and check if you can select any video. So I'll just come to the search bar and I'm gonna search for octopus in the sea. One of the videos that actually gave me thousands of views on my channel was when I used this octopus video, right? So if we click on the first one has 1036 likes and 6.6 million views. So you scroll down to what you need to actually use this one on my live stream. Look at this video. This video has 4.5 million views. Let me go to my channel and show you guys. But first of all, let's copy the link of this video. Let's assume this is the exact thing we are going to be using. So I'm just going to show you this on my channel for you to actually see there are those words. And I also shared things I've tried on my channel with you all. So I actually unlist all those live streaming, but then let's check out those. Your live stream here actually gave me over 83,000 views. Can you guys see? Hope you guys can actually see those. This was actually my picture right here, and I added this right. So it's the exact video, right? To go straight to your Chrome browser, because we actually need to download that video. We just copy the link. You come here and search for Instagram downloader. You can choose any of this option. You paste the video link here and just go ahead and download it. So after downloading the video, you'll be able to see the video on your gallery. If I actually show you how you can actually get this video, and I don't teach you or show you how you can actually edit this video in order for you to avoid being copyrighted or something, that means I'm not a good teacher, because I will not assume that everyone watching me right here knows how to edit. I'm actually going to make sure that I timestamp this video so that the aspect or the part you don't actually want to watch, you can skip it to the other parts that you feel like you're interested in, right? We need to go to our editing help and we click on this video. You can use your CapCut or any other editing software. You click on this new project. Let's say, or let's assume the video I actually downloaded is this, right? So I bring in, let's assume this video isn't mine, and I wanted to add some commentary to the video to make it look real, like to make it look original. So I'll click on those PIP. Remember, you can actually add your video to that already video that you just put in there, or your picture, right? So I'll just come here. So let's just say I bring in this picture. So what do I need to do first? I need to first of all remove the background of this picture. Then I drag it to where I actually want it to be. And let's assume we downloaded this video from Instagram and it come with that sound or something. You want to make sure that you muted the sound of the video. In some cases, you can actually use some sound on CapCut to replace that, or preferably use your own voice. Guys, have you seen this octopus? Look at how big and mighty it is. I bet you've not seen something like this before. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Please, my loves, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, just say something like that, and also add a call to action for people to subscribe to your channel. And after the whole editing of the thing, you just go ahead and make sure to save the video. If you can actually bring your video, it's fine. If you can't, you take video from Instagram's the viral video star, you edit it, add your own commentary, and you come right here to your Chrome browser. You can actually use any browser of your choice. So you come here and type Restream.io. So when you come here, you're actually going to be seeing all those options here. If you check here, you see a couple of things I did on my main channel using the site. So you just click on this plus new. When you click on that, you see these all options: Restream Studio, encoded, RTMB, video playlist. So if you actually want to stream directly from your browser, you go with the first option. The second one is actually you want to stream from OBS, Zoom, vMix. Then this video or playlist is actually when you want to create those videos or live stream recording, right? So what you need to go with is the first option. So when you come here, this is where the whole magic started. Some people just put a video of 5 seconds, and when that video play up to that 5 seconds is that is because they failed to do this one thing I'm actually about to share with you in this video. So you can see how this microphone and this camera is off. So you want to make sure that you turn off this microphone and this camera. This camera is that if I should turn it on right now, people will be distracted with seeing my face and also seeing the video I'm going to be looping. If I actually turn on this microphone, whatever sound or music that is playing in the background where I am, it will interfere with the video sound. So you just need to make sure you turn all of this off and you click on enter studio. I don't actually know for some reason why my microphone was muted, so I'm actually going to use the voiceover to complete this video. So you've seen this option right here. Make sure you put it on that phone option if you are using your smartphone. If you are using a PC, you put it on that first option here. So after that, you need to click on the second to the last option here, and after clicking on that, it will now bring option to this first option. So you click on add source. So when you click on that, you're going to choose a local video. So you come here and make sure to select the video you actually want to watch. So I'm just going to look for something that is really so short to bring in there. So after bringing on that, you actually need to pay attention to this aspect, because this is where most people actually get it twisted. This video is just about 7 to 8 seconds and actually want to stream for 7 hours or 5 hours. So how do I make this video to play for that longer period of time? You tap on the screen, you see that three dot there, you click on it. So you now click on this loop option here to actually make sure to loop this video. This makes it to play immediately after this one is done. You click on the pencil icon and make sure to name the title of your live stream depending on whatever it is that you are actually bringing on. You can choose to put your description. So for the thumbnail is actually optional. If you actually want people to really see the thumbnail and click to watch, you really need to add a thumbnail to it, right? So I'm just going to use this thumbnail here for the purpose of this tutorial. So when I bring it, it's already fit into the size of what I want. So what I just need to do is just to go ahead and click on the crop option, which I'll click on update or to update the title. Then you see that plus channels there. I'm just going to click on that because I have 2 channels right here. Please, if you are a new user, you really need to pay attention to this. When you click on this plus sign, you see where you need to connect your YouTube channel. So when I come here, I don't need to toggle on this my first channel. So if I swipe down, you're going to see this add channel. So if you are a newbie, when you click on that plus sign, you'll see options to actually link your channel. Make sure to add your YouTube channel email, like log in with Google with that your Gmail account that you use in creating your YouTube channel, so that it will automatically brings your channel right there, right? So after that, you actually need to toggle it on the same way you saw me did, and boom, everything is set. So you see this go live option or button right down here. So you just come over there and tap on the go live option and just wait for the countdown to finish. Boom, we are live. I'm just going to end this thing because I don't really want to go on live now, but I'm just doing this for the purpose of this tutorial. So let's head over to my YouTube channel and check the live stream with just that right away. You can see it right there. Let me go to the live tab. So when I actually head to the live tab, guys, this is the live stream we just did. I'm just gonna make sure to list it, guys. I actually promised you all one thing in this video. So if you actually made it up to the stage, congratulations to you. The reason why most people underestimated the power of using those two is that they feel like after getting your watch hours using this method and you start posting your normal content, people won't resonate well with your content. But I tell you for the fact that it's a lie, right? Trust me, when you first get monetized, you might try to bring up content that people actually like watching. For you to actually turn those people to your audience, make sure you do this. Whenever you are doing a live stream, always make sure to upload at least 2 videos a week, and let these videos be related to your niche, or let it be something you are actually doing on YouTube. For instance, if you are into a YouTube growth niche and I'm using this method to be getting my views, my subscribers, and my watch hours, what I need to be doing is that each lesson you learned during this process, how I got my 1000 subscribers in 5 days. You use that one, you make a video around that and you post it, so that while these people are actually on your channel, they can also resonate with your long form content or the kind of content your channel is actually all about. Let's just take a look at this person's channel. Can you see how the views are? This guy actually has views more than people that use their normal long form content to monetize their channel. That is to tell you that the main goal on YouTube here is just to get your channel monetized. Because whatever thing you bring up here, people will actually want to resonate well with you. People actually want to listen to you because they'll feel like you actually passed the stage or you actually went through the stage. So whatever you have to tell them is true. After you have been monetized, do well to unlist all those live streams.